This video will explain how to easily import a rubric from a spreadsheet to the app. Over here, I'll show you, I entered the rubric on a spreadsheet using numbers. I actually did this using my MacBook, and then you can save to iCloud and then open that up easily on the iPad. So if you have an iPad that does split screen, I'll show that first. Go ahead and open up the app, and I'm going to tap on the rubric options, select Edit Rubric, and then I'm going to swipe up from the bottom. And to do split screen, you long press the other app you want. So I'm long pressing numbers, dragging that off to the side and holding it there. And when you release, you'll be in split screen. And then that middle divider you can tap and drag over to the middle of the screen. Now let's look at the rubric. So the way the rubric is done is the first cell should be the name of the rubric. And then you have the column names. I've just named column A, B, C. And then the rows I've just named 1, 2, and 3. And then the data for each cell, if you want to have multiple lines, the data should be separated by the hashtag and the exclamation mark. So as you can see, I have 1AA, hashtag exclamation mark 1AB, and then 1AC. So that's the way for you to separate multiple lines for the same cell. And you'll see when it imports what that does. So now the easiest to do is tap on the first cell, and you want to drag the corner there with the dot and highlight all your data. So in this case, there it is over there. And if you have an iPad with split screen, which I'm showing you right now, simply long press in the center there. It'll pop out and you can drag it over to the Edit Rubric screen and then release. And there you go. Boom, your rubric is all imported there. Easy, easy, easy. Let me show you some other ways. So I'm going to go ahead and reset that. So let's say you don't have the split screen. What you can do is, if you have just an iPhone, open one app separately. So here I'm in Numbers. Once you've highlighted your data, you see the option for copy there. So go ahead and tap Copy. And then go ahead to the rubric options at the top next to the name, the 3 dots. Tap that. And there's a new option called Copy from Clipboard. So once you've copied that there, go ahead and tap that, and it'll import the data too. So that's an easy way to do that if you don't have an iPad that does split screen. If you're running iOS 11 or above, there's also the option is if you have a MacBook, you can actually copy data from numbers in your MacBook. And that actually is made available for the iPad or your iPhone if it's nearby. And then you can go ahead and simply, again, select Copy from Clipboard right there, even if you've just copied directly from your MacBook. So those are the easy ways of getting the rubric data into your device. Feel free to email me if you have any questions, and hopefully that helps make rubric creation a lot easier.